Բարև շատ սիրելի աշակերտներ. Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn to conjugate the verb to be in its past form. After this lesson, you'll be able to talk about your past actions. Now let's get started. Like in present tense, in past tense also, the verb to be has different forms for all the personal pronouns. Let's learn them now. I was is yes, eyi. You were is du, eir. For the third person you have na, ed. And then we have the plurals. We were, menk, eing. You were, duk, eik. And for the third person plural we have nerank, ein. We have got ei, eir, ed, eing, eik, ein. I know that they all sound similar, but they are different. In Armenian, we use these forms when we want to talk about actions that were happening in the past. For example, yesterday I was studying. Երեկ ես սովորում էի. We have the verb սովորում and then we use էի. It becomes I was studying. Իմ քույրիկը, my sister was studying. Իմ քույրիկը սովորում էր. Մենք երկուսով սովորում ենք. Both of us were studying. You can take these forms and form many other sentences and talk about things that you were doing yesterday. Thank you very much. Շատ շնորհակալություն for watching my videos. Շուշիներ, it was Շուշի Հայասայից. Շուշիներ Հայասայից. Հաջողություն.